This is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find passwords on your Samsung phone. So there's two different ways you can do this. So we can swipe up and we can just go to search, type in pass. So this is Samsung Pass right here, and this is a password manager. So we can just choose this and then we can just use this and sign in. So if we've been using this in the past, we should be able to see our passwords. So you can just go to continue right here. Otherwise you can go to Google and just go to Google right here. Now, an easy way to access this by going to settings, scroll on down, and then we have Google services. You can just find it here too. But you're going to see an option that says autofill located right here, and then you can switch it from Google Pass from Samsung Pass to Google Password Manager, and then it will unlock Password Manager. So say autofill, choose that, switch it to Google, and then you can use your Google passwords. Then you can go to continue right here, and then scroll on down, and you can see all your passwords on here. And then you can just go to reveal, and it'll show you all the different passwords. So you can just use your computer, whether you're signed into Google or whatever you're using. Google passwords is probably going to be more abundant throughout your different devices that you're using, and it could be synced up to your phone, whereas Samsung Pass is probably just your phone. So you can look at those two different areas. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.